So, this is what happened. I think Sabi is a bit pissed off. Sabi! See that, guys? That's Sabi. What are you doing in there, baby?
Uy!
Ay! Sabi! Come out, come out!
Come here, bunny boy! Let's eat dali, banana dali!
Why you're hiding?
Tawag nga tawag.
Sabi! Sab! Come out! Let's go! Shh! Come on! Come out! Uy! 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 Hinglihok magtiil sa tidib... Ay! Wow! You grumpy too? You have attitude too? What happened if I will give your big teddy to Axel? Huh? Why you grumpy like that? Come out! Sabi! Sab, come on, baby. Sabi! Oh. Come here.
Uy!
You okay? So, this is his room. Ah! Sab! Come here. Huy! Come on! What happened? What happened to your teddy bear? Come on, come out, baby. Good boy. What happened to you? Ayaw, ibutang sa higdaanan ng isang...
Give it to me!
Babe, what happened to you? Sab-sab? Ang ilungay. You remember before, baby? Yeah? You're the surviving Sabi. Yeah. What happened? You okay? Oh, shush.